Calculate question number 3 because 2 are over. All the numericals are for 4 marks only as per the VTU. Calculate the torque required to twist a wire of length 1.5 meter, radius 0.0425 into 10 power minus 2 meters, point is there, through an angle pi by 45 radian if the value of rigidity modulus of its material okay, right. So this is the question given. Calculate the torque required to twist a wire of length 1.5 meter, radius 0.0425 into 10 power minus 2 meters through an angle of pi by 45 radian if the value of rigidity modulus of the material is 8.3 into 10 power 10. So first thing we should write the given data, okay, and in the formula now we will not convert it to degree, it should be in radian only. So torque means what we have derived now. Okay, so what we derived, pi eta r power 4 theta by 2l. This is the expression we had derived, isn't it? Yeah, can you see that? Yeah, so continue. So we have what is given, let us write length of the wire. So length is 1.5 meters. Okay, radius of the wire 0.0425 into 10 power minus 2 meters. You take your calculators. Theta is pi by 45. Okay, and rigidity modulus is given. Eta is given as 8.3 into 10 power 10 Newton per meter square. This is given. So everything is given. So you have to calculate only the torque. So just it is direct substitution. Okay, so we let us substitute. So torque is equal to 3.14 into 8.3 into 10 power 10 into radius of the wire. Okay, radius of the wire you have to substitute. R is a radius 0.0425 into 10 power minus 2 4 times into pi by 45, okay, divided by 2 into 1.5. Yes, check the answer. Only the student whom I ask will answer. So today mostly I'm going to ask Preetham Naika. CV014 is going to answer. I'm giving 2 minutes time. Preetham Naika present. CV014 is present. 015 is present. Vamshi Krishna is present. CV011 Nitish. Nitish BS is present. Okay, answer your attendance. Aditya was the first person to join. CA002 Aditya is present?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Aditya, doubt is clear, no? You only asked me whether you should book tickets. You don't
Yes.
book ticket, huh? You be there for some time, some more time. Right. So, Vikas Gowda is present. I saw his name. CV016. Because they have to answer, no? All are keeping quiet. Right. So let us complete this equation, this numerical. I think you must have got the answer. What is the answer? Those who are doing
1.98 into 10 power minus 10 per meter.
1.9.
Meter, sorry.
2.83 into 10 power minus.
Minus 4. Okay.
4.
And Newton meter. The yes, you're correct. Newton meter. Because it is force into torque is defined as force
Newton
into
meter.
perpendicular distance. Okay. So Newton meter. Good. So I'm waiting for others to finish. The answer is in this only one numerical will come. Okay. 1.98 into 10 power minus 4 Newton meter. You saw how pi by 4. I think directly you have done for 3.14 into divided by 45 you have done, isn't it? Right. So those are doing. I'll go for the next slide. Do you want me to wait? 1.98 starting from Abhishek DC, Vikas Gowda, Vinay R. Bharat is very active. Let me see Bharat. Where is Bharat? Bharat BM, CV003.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Answer is 1.98 into 10 power minus 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Use calculator, finish it. If it is over, I'm going for next one. Shall I go? Okay. Okay. So next one. Okay, students. Next one. This was torque asked. Next one, they are going to ask you. Let us see what they're going to ask. They're going to ask you the. Where is my pen gone? 1 minute. Yeah. Question number 4. Take that. Calculate. Calculate the angular twist. Calculate the angular twist of a wire of length 0.3 meters and radius 0.2 into 10 power minus 3 meters when a torque of
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am, torque how much, ma'am? Last problem.
last problem 1.98 into 10 power minus 4. You could have asked me to wait, no?
Ma'am, he got 1.95, ma'am, into 10 to the power of minus 4.
Why it came like that? Did you put a point? 1 minute. Did you round off any value? Did you put a 0.0425 only?
No, ma'am. 1.955 into 10 to the power of minus 4.
That is okay. Did you substitute all these values properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Here after digit for this one, after digit did you write 0.0425?
Yes, ma'am.
You didn't neglect 5, no? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the problem he's having? What is the pi by 45 value, students?
Ma'am, 0.069, ma'am.
Good point. 0. What is it? 0.
069.
0.069. What about others? Students? Finally, one student comes out with some problem. 0.069 is correct, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you check once again, boy. 1.95 became low value. If you had said, if you say 1.978 something, okay. So we'll wait. You check again. It is four times. Okay, 4 times. ARPA 4 is 4 times. I think here he must have gone wrong. Tell this value. Someone who has got this correct answer, 1.98. This 0.0425 into 10 power minus 2 4 times is how much?
3.262.
3.262 into 10 power?
10 power how many?
Minus 8. Are you separately doing? You should not do separately. Yes, students, this ARPA 4 value, someone tell me.
Ma'am, 3.262 into 10 power minus 6.
Minus 6. The previous student, did you get this value also?
Yes, ma'am. Same, ma'am.
Same you got. Then what is the problem? You check. 3.14 into 8.3 into 10 power 10 into 3.262 into 10 power minus 6 into 0.069 divided by 3. You should get 1.98 into 10 power minus 4 is only correct. 1.95.
1.798, ma'am.
Where? Final answer. Final answer. Okay, let us help him out. So tell me, torque is equal to numerator value. Someone tell me the whole numerator value with pi by 4, pi by 45. How much?
Ma'am, 2.83, ma'am.
2.83 into 10 power
10 power minus 3 into pi by 45.
Okay, no, 2.83 into 10 power
Minus 3, ma'am.
minus 3 into pi by 45 is also there.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
instead of that, I'll write 0.069. Okay, so this is equal to what? Again,
Ma'am, we are getting 1.95.
1 point, no, 5. This value you tell me.
There is no divided by 3. The whole thing is 2.83, ma'am.
Okay, whole thing you're saying. No, I wanted only the numerator value because he's having problem there. No, I said tell me numerator value. Then I'll yeah. Tell me the numerator value into pi by 45 also.
$27.07 into 10 power minus 3, ma'am.
27.07 into 10 power minus 3. Yeah. Others check. Is it correct?
Into pi by 4, ma'am.
No, you're not leaving that pi by 4.
I mean,
Pi by 45.
45.
Okay. Yes. So you check, boy. It should be 1.98 only. There's no other tricky things in this involved. 1.99 if you also get okay. So 1.98 into 10 power minus 4. Getting now? You can check your calculation. You can check your calculation. Yeah. Calculate the angular twist of a wire of length 0.3 meter and radius 0.2 into 10 power minus 3 meter when a torque of 5 into 10 power minus 4 Newton meter is applied. Eta is given. Rigidity modulus. of the material is 8 into 10 power 10 Newton per meter square. Okay, so let us see what is given. Torque is given. No? So the formula is torque is equal to, we'll write pi eta r power 4 theta by 2L. Okay, so they are asking you theta, calculate the angular twist. So what is theta? Theta is equal to 2L torque by pi eta r power 4. Okay, so let us write the things. Length is length of the wire is 0.3 meters. Radius of the wire is 0.2 into 10 power minus 3 meters. Torque is 5 into 10 power minus 4 Newton meter. Eta is 8 into 10 power 10 Newton per meter square. Direct question, it will just substitute. Yes, students, substitute this and tell me what is the theta value.
Point 756 radians. 756.
Yeah, 0.756 radian is correct answer. Who is this? Name? Name of the student who gave me this answer? No name, huh? 0.756 radian. Who said? You don't want to
Rohit,
give your...
ma'am.
Rohit. Rohit. Okay. So this Pawan Kumar MB who is in between trying to just check in, no? You just tell him his close friend and someone should be there, no? Everything is going on very well. He need not worry about all that. Let him sit at home only without attending classes. This simply telling internet problem is there and all that, no, don't tell. If anyone says internet problem is there, you have to send your address, Aadhaar card address. Okay, we'll check what is the network issues there. If that place is having any network issue, that is the instruction given. During IA also, don't try to be very clever by saying some issues like network problem and all. It will be thoroughly checked. People in Kashmir or Bihar, what is the situation of network there will be checked before you give some wrong reasons. Okay, students, theta equal to 0.756. Who is the next person who got? One more numerical we have to do. And students, in your in the section group, no, you must have seen one anti-ragging undertaking you have to give. Okay, even though you're not coming to classes for the time being, no. So one anti-ragging undertaking is to be given by all the students by clicking the link online you're giving. Okay, and 22nd is the last date. You don't wait till 22nd. Immediately today after the half day, no, you can fill the undertaking. Okay, you just click the link, URL link, and give the submit the response. Okay, now other than Rohit, who got 0.756? Next student,
Me, ma'am.
who is that?
Ma'am, Gulam sir.
Gulam Server.
Yes,
Gulam
ma'am.
Server,
Yes, ma'am.
ME004. Okay, okay. One more student who got. I will be uploading this. Okay, I'll upload this also. One more numerical, and then we'll call it a day. I should have, yeah, 1 minute. It got stuck there. Yeah, so we saw, my God, what has happened? Okay, we saw yesterday this Young's modulus, no? Let us do with that. Okay, yeah. So take the question. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A rod of cross-section area, cross-section, one centimeter into 1 centimeter is fixed at one end. I'm just adding the, okay, mass added is 2 kg. Okay, the length of the rod is 2 meters. Calculate the distance through which the rod is displaced. Okay, y is given 2 into 10 power 11 Newton per meter square. Okay, right. So what does it mean? Let us write the same formula which we had seen in that day. We for in the bending of the beam, y naught is equal to 4 mg L cube by b d cube into y. This we derived. Okay. So here what they are asking, he's asking you what is the depression, what is the distance through which the body is displaced. So why not they are asking? Okay, why not they are asking? So what is given? Area of cross section, that means breadth and thickness is given. Area of cross section means area means what? Breadth into thickness, no? So B is 1 centimeter. This thickness is also 1 centimeter. Convert it 1 into 10 power minus 2 meters. This is also 1 into 10 power minus 2 meters. Okay, mass of the body is 2 kg. So 2 directly we have to write. G is 9.8. Then length of the wire is given as 2 meters. Okay, y is given. That's all. Substitute and tell me what is y naught. What is the displacement of the rod? You do question number 5. Question number 6 is homework for you. Here what to remember, centimeters should not be added like same. You have to convert it and then you have to add 1 centimeter. You should do 1 centimeter 1 into 10 power minus 2. Students, this question number 5 answer 4 into 2 into 9.8 into 2 cube by BD cube y. So the answer is how much?
.314 meter.
Very good. 0.314 meter is the correct answer. Others have to tell.
Ma'am, tension is 2 kg, no ma'am.
Tension is 2 kg. Yeah.
Why you consider
Not
mg, ma'am?
tension. Not tension. Mass. M is only 2 kg.
Then we have to consider only mass or what, ma'am? Because you have taken mg.
No. Here for M I should add 2 kg. For G I have to add 9.8. Correct.
Ma'am, we are not getting, when we add that, ma'am, we are not getting 0.314.
When you're not getting?
When we add M and G, ma'am, we are not.
No. You'll get. This, W is tension. Okay, that is mg. You see from the unit also we can make out. Yes, when he says 2 kg, it is meant it is for mass. So only if you write 2 into 9.8, you'll get. What about others?
Ma'am, we'll get answer correct only, ma'am. Answer is correct.
Answer is correct.
Like, but why are taking mg as tension, ma'am? Because tension is only the mass. Only 2 kg we have to take.
Who said tension is not mass? No. See, when the load is added. Okay.
When it is pulled.
1 minute. When the load is added, okay. The mass can be mass of the body is that. But what is the tension acting down? That is weight is equal to what? Mg. Isn't it? The force mass is the load of the weight mass of the body is m. When it is acting downwards, load acts downwards. We have to add g, acceleration due to gravity. That is w. Why he got that doubt? Mass added is 2 kg. So here mass m is only 2 kg. Then we should do with acceleration due to gravity. 0.314. See, for example, I'll tell you here. So this is the mass I have added. How much? 2 kg. But what is the tension acting on the body? It is W, M into G. When I add 50 grams, in the experiment, when we do 50 grams, W will be. Because
this is not.
Yeah.
This is not spring, ma'am. This is rod, no, ma'am. Like how will it displace?
It is fixed at one end, correct?
When it is fixed, it can't be displaced.
No. One end is fixed by the whole concept. Okay. One end is fixed. Okay. What about the other end? To the other end only we have added the weight. Correct? Because of that it is going down. So this is mg. Right? Check your topic of single cantilever. Load added becomes mass into g. And it is freely suspended, right? So acceleration due to gravity is acting. Yes, so the answer is 0.314 meters. Students, right? Now this is your homework. Which is your homework? A solid sphere of radius 10.3 meter is subjected to a normal pressure of 10 Newton per meter square, acting all over the surface. Determine the change in its volume. Okay, what you do? You just note this question. Question number 6 you note. I stop here. Okay, tomorrow you'll tell me the answer. So note the question. Number 6. I can dictate also. A solid sphere of radius 10.3 meter is subjected to normal pressure of 10 Newton per meter square. 10 Newton per meter square, acting all over the surface. So it is about bulk modulus. They're talking about bulk modulus, isn't it? So what they're saying, I have some sphere is there. There is another sphere. This force is acting all over the body. Okay. Determine the change in volume. Let us see what you are applying. What is the formula you are applying? Let me see. Bulk modulus is given as 4.58 into 10 power 10 Newton per meter square. Okay, students. So from Monday, what we are going to do? 20 minutes new topic, that is module 3, and 20 minutes is revision. Normally it is going to be followed by quiz also. Okay. Quiz for 5 minutes from Monday. Before that, I'll check this question homework. I'll be checking.